Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make daisy flower petals. We need 3 different colors of yarn. Yellow and green are going to be the middle part of the flower and white is going to be the petals. Usually when I make the flower, I use this metal wire for the stem, but in this video I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to show you how to make a daisy flower petal. We're also going to need some scissors. The hook size I'm using here is 3.5 millimeters. With the green and yellow yarn, we are going to make the same circles in the same size. So to make a circle, we're going to make a magic ring first. Make an X and start from there. Chain 1 and start the single crochets in the magic ring. We are going to make 6 single crochets in this magic ring. After you're done making the single crochets in the magic ring, tighten the yarn so all the stitches are together. Make a slip stitch to end the first round. Now chain 1 to start the second round. In the second round, make the 6 increases. That means make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. End the second round with a slip stitch and chain 1 for the third round. In the third row, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. No need to increase. Now make a slip stitch into the first stitch so that we can finish the circle. Cut the yarn and weave these ends into the circle. This is how it's going to look like without the threads. Now both the circles have been made. Now we are going to attach these two with the help of white yarn to make the petals. From here on, we are going to make the petals. Bring together both the circles and start inserting the hook from one circle to the other. Pull the white yarn and chain 4. I'm hiding the short end of the yarn inside the circle so that it doesn't cause us any problem, so it's out of the way. After you're done making chain 4, now do a treble crochet into the same stitch. Now make chain 4 again. After that, make a slip stitch into the next stitch. We just made our first petal. You need to keep repeating this pattern of 4 chain, treble crochet, chain 4 and a slip stitch to keep making the petals. Let's make all the petals now. Now we need to fill with fiber the middle part of the flower. After filling it with the fiber, complete making all the petals to the end where you have to make a slip stitch to make a complete flower. Now it's the last stitch and we have to make a slip stitch into this one so that our flower is complete. I usually chain 1 at the end of the flower or anything so that it is secure. Even if you don't chain 1 at the end, it's fine. You can just pull the yarn and it's secure, but I just want it to be extra secure. Now our flower is ready. We just need to weave in the ends. Oh, it's pretty. Since we have 2 yarn ends side by side, so we're going to make 3 knots so that it's secure. After that, we can weave in the ends as usual. This is the final look of the daisy. I love making daisy because it's the easiest, and whenever I have little time, I just want to make something, I make the daisies. Try this and let me know if you like making the daisies. Comment down below if you want to watch something else. Bye!